Layer management is a crucial part while you're editing photos inside of Pixlr E. And in order to do that, you need to name your layers accordingly. And to demonstrate that, you can see that I'm already in a Pixlr E document with an image opened on it. And you can see on the right side, there's layers as an option. So there's the background, as you can see, and this is the name of the layer, which is there by default. But if you want to rename it, simply right click on it. And here you can rename this out, such as I'm going to say main picture right here. And if I were to click it, you can see that this is the background. So now in order to add in more layers, I can go around over here onto text, and let's say I can just click and add in a text layer. You can see that this is the text. So I can say this is a forest right here. So now I can select this out just like this, and I can go around into, let's say, for example, on the fill option, and there you go, there's the white option right there. I can drag this down, and this is the forest. And now what I can do is I can right click and I can add a name to this as well. So I'm just going to say this is forest text right here, and that makes it much more easier to actually manage the layers out. And that is how you can work around with renaming layers inside of Pixlr E to arrange it out in the way you want. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.